EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to separate the line in different sections, spools, for shop prefabrication. We select this command that opens the following window. As a first thing, we select the line we need to work with. By selecting a line, their components are analyzed to pick up the spools previously defined, if any, and to place them in this menu. In our case, we have none defined yet. A spool name can be up to 3 characters long, and it is regarded as a feature of each component that can be modified and erased at any moment. In our example, we are going to define 3 spools, that is, 3 sections, each one including adjacent components for prefabrication. Let's begin with the A spool, whose name we'll type in this box. To create its name, simply press the Enter key. Its value will appear in the menu at left. The one selected in this menu is the active spool. The Assign button assigns the active spools to the components that are to be selected using the cut selector. Let's define the B spool. In this spool, we'll include from the flange up to the upper elbow. And now we assign the remaining components to spool C. Only components belonging to the selected line will be modified. Selection of components of another line is ignored. We can now check what we have done, showing each spool. The command first shows components without assigned spools, in our case the valve and its operator. This one is the A spool. This one is the B spool. And this one is the C spool. We can continue with another line or stop here. Should we need to define a tolerance length in one end of a spool, this command is to be used. This command adds a tolerance length at one pipe end, that is, the model geometry is not modified, but the length of that pipe is incremented by the amount assigned. We select the pipe end that will receive the increased length. Currently, this end has not defined any length increase. We unchecked the read-only setting, and now we can define a tolerance length, which is copied from the project default. We could also have used a different value as well. We write this value into the component. We can check this value in the component characteristics.